So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, hi, my name is Anjum Sheikh. So today's video is going to be a brief introduction about myself. So before starting today's video, I just want to thank you guys for 25,000 subscribers. Thank you so much guys for showing so much of support and love to my channel. Thank you so much guys. As usual, thank you so much. So I just can't show my emotions in this video, but trust me guys, I'm so happy. Thank you so much guys. I'm so glad I started this YouTube channel. I just want to say thank you so much guys. So just to give you a brief about when I started this YouTube channel, I was really very much shy to talk in front of a camera. I was really nervous, but now I have completed 40 days, roughly 40 days on YouTube, and now I'm pretty confident to just sit in front of a camera and talk to you all with whatever I have in my heart. This is what I wanted to learn. I wanted to be more confident. This YouTube is really helping me in that way. So I just want to thank each and everyone that is supporting me. Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much for having faith in me. I just trust me. I will be delivering the best content that I could do from my side. So now let's start with the introduction. So my name is Anjum Sheikh and currently I am a third year student in a degree college. I am pursuing BBA, that is Bachelor in Business Administration. So now I have just started my third year, so I will be getting graduated next year. And after my graduation, I will give my first attempt for MPSC in 2021 and I am planning to give my UPSC in 2022. So I still have 2 years to give my UPSC and only 6 months to give my MPSC, because MPSC exam is almost little bit earlier than UPSC. MPSC is in first week of April and as we all know UPSC is much later than that. So now let's talk about my educational background. So I have done my studies till 10th from State Board in Maharashtra. After that I have done my 11th and 12th from science stream, and after that I shifted to commerce and now I am doing BBA, that is a commerce field. So I just want to say that I started from science, but now I have just shifted to commerce because I think just 1 week of study for commerce before exam is enough to just pass the exam, and we don't have to make a career in that. So I think graduation from commerce is a better idea for me. So I just shifted from science to commerce. So now let's talk a little bit about myself. So now I am 19 years old. I have my 20th birthday next month, but till then I am still 19 years old. And I live in Maharashtra. I am a Maharashtrian. That's the reason why I am giving MPSC. So when I was thinking to start my studies for competitive exam, I was just thinking about MPSC. I just wanted to do MPSC, but when I just did a little bit research about MPSC, I just got to know that whatever the resource or the books available in market for MPSC are just in Marathi medium. And if we want to do MPSC in English medium, we have to refer the sources for UPSC. So I thought, if I am just referring the sources for UPSC, then why can't I just give both the exam? Because I will have 2 doors open in front of me and I can just prepare for both of them, because the sources that I am using for MPSC are the same that we have to use for UPSC. So I can just study for both the exams, and I have started my MPSC preparation a bit earlier. So I am giving my MPSC a bit earlier, a year earlier than UPSC, and I am giving my MPSC in 2021 and I will be giving my UPSC in 2022. So yeah, this is about the, so many of you had question about which exam I am giving. So yes, I am giving MPSC and UPSC, both the exams. MPSC is Maharashtra State PSC. Many of you were confusing this with MP PSC and MPSC. So yes, I am giving Maharashtra PSC, not MP PSC. So yeah, I just wanted to clear this thing. And yes, many of you were even asking me about the coaching class. So yes, I have joined a coaching class for MPSC, but I have not joined any coaching class for UPSC. So I have joined the coaching for MPSC because, as I said, the core or the most of the people for MPSC are preparing in Marathi medium. So most of the information about the exam out there is in Marathi medium. So it was very much necessary for me to join a coaching class and have a guidance in this exam, or else I would have just been wandering here and there just to know what I have to do. So that's the whole reason why I joined a coaching class, and I have not joined any coaching for UPSC. So the next thing that I want to share with you all, and is one of the most important part of my life, is that I am a sports player. I am crazy about sports. I have played almost every game that is ever been invented. From my childhood, I just used to go on ground and play every game that the coach taught. Everything I have played, from skating, handball, football, basketball, korfball, netball, you just name a game and I have played that. And I'm so glad that I have been a sports player. I'm so glad I was introduced to sports, because sports has really made me very much confident in my life. Sports has really helped me grow a lot. So I just can't explain how much sports have just influenced my life. I am so glad I have been playing games, and due to this lockdown I could not just go out and play my games, and that's the reason why I am very much inclined towards my studies now. So sports has made me realize that I want to go in public services, and yes, I want to do something for my country. I have played several nationals and also many states in my sports career. That's the reason why I am very much connected to my state, connected to my city, connected to my district, connected to our country, because I have been playing sports, and sports makes you very much patriotic. So sports is one of the reason why I want to get into public services, because sports just, I can't explain you, but sports just make you realize that you want to do something for your cities, for something for your district, something for your state, or something for your country. Sports makes you realize these. I have been very much connected to my state because of this. I have represented my state many times in national, so I have that love for my state, and that's when I decided I want to do something in public services. So that's the reason sports plays very important role in my life. I just wanted to share this with y'all, because many of you just would be wondering why I am so like kind of weird, because I won't say weird, but a little bit strange as compared to other girls out there. I am more I'm more like some sporty. I just talk like this. My voice, oh my god, many of you are just like, your voice is like a boy. So this is the reason why my voice is so much harsh. I would say harsh, but so much different, because I have been a sports player. I have raised like that my voice has changed like this, and I am so proud of myself. I am so proud of this voice. I am so proud of how I dress. I am so proud of everything related to what I am doing and what I have now. And one thing I want to share with everyone out there, please guys, just be confident in yourself and just love however you are, because everyone is beautiful in their way. I am very much happy I was introduced to sports by my parents, and I have done so much in sports, and sports has really helped me grow so much. I'm really grateful that I am a sports player. I want to play for my entire life. I want to continue that also. And now let's talk a little bit about YouTube. So when I started my preparation for UPSC and also for MPSC around 5 to 6 months ago, back then I did not know how to make daily plans, or how to just structure my entire day, or how to divide the syllabus and study in an organized way. I just did not know anything. So I started to search something on YouTube, like how to just organize the entire day, how to make daily routines, how to make to-do list and everything. And I did not saw even a single Indian student or a UPSC student just showing their daily routines or anything like that. That was effective. Many of them were just having a channel and they were posting some videos, but I thought that those were not much more effective for me. So I just saw some of the YouTubers that were not Indian. They were from foreign, from like USA or UK, and they were just structuring that day in such a phenomenal way. I was very much inspired by them. So that day I just told myself, whenever I will just manage my day properly, or just know how to manage everything, and whenever I will start doing my things properly, I will start a YouTube channel that will help all the beginners in UPSC or MPSC or any other competitive exams to just structure their day, or just make to-do list, or just organize their days, or organize their subjects and everything. I will be really happy to just help someone out there. And I never on my channel suggest how to study. I just say that how to structure your day, how can you do some time management and everything in this context. I never say how you should study, because I am not a professional, or I am not someone that is tutoring. I just want to say that I know how to structure a day, and I know what suits me better. I just share my experience, whatever I have in structuring my day and just making daily routines and planning my day. Just everything in this context I am pretty good at, I think. So I thought that I will just make a channel, and if even one student get influenced by this, or one student just get motivated by this, I am really happy. I think that my goal here is accomplished. The second reason why I wanted to start this YouTube channel is that it was always in my bucket list. I always wanted to start a YouTube channel and influence people out there, just motivate people. So that's the second reason, and one of the important reason why I started this. And I think this is the best time to start a YouTube channel, because I'm still at a very young age and only 19 years old, and I have my entire life in front of me. So this is the best time. I thought that I should try this, and I think with all your responses and all your comments, I think I'm doing my job pretty well, and all thanks to you guys for supporting me. So starting a YouTube channel has been my dream, but becoming a civil servant or becoming a public servant is still the goal of utmost priority. The first priority will always be to become a civil servant, and that will never change. And the another thing that I thought when starting this YouTube channel is that after 5 years I don't want to just look back and regret even a bit of my life. Now I know after 5 years, if I see back and just see what I am doing now, I will be really proud of myself. I won't have any regrets in my life. That's the reason why I started this YouTube channel. I never want any regret in my life. Now even when I see back 1 month, I don't regret even a bit of starting this YouTube channel. That's the reason why I want to make videos, I want to study, I want to play sports. That's because I want to do everything, and I think this is the age where I can do that. So I just want to just make the most of whatever I am doing in this year, and in this few years I just want to grind as much as I can in these years, so that after 5 to 6 years when I see back, I just want my life to be perfect. I can just reduce my sleeping time by 1 hour and do something new in that makes me happy. I'm not giving you an advice to do this, but yes, this is what I do and this is what I want to do. I have confidence in myself, and thank you so much for you guys to just have faith in me. Whatever I am today, I am just because of you, and I'm so glad I started this YouTube channel. Today I can just sit in front of a camera and talk to you all guys whatever I have in my heart. So I just wanted to give you a brief introduction about myself. I wanted this to be a candid video, so I have not even written key points what I wanted to talk in this video. I just came, sit in front of a camera, and now I'm just talking and this is something that I think a huge achievement for me, because now I can just sit in front of a camera and talk to you all guys without even thinking what you will criticize me or anything like that. So the philosophy that I follow in my life is that if you are happy in your life, you will definitely enjoy your studies. So the most important point here is that try to enjoy your life. For example, I like making YouTube videos. So now I just took a break for 2 hours in between my studies, and I thought in this break, rather than just sitting and scrolling my social media, I will just come and shoot this video. And this is what I do in the entire day. I study, and whenever I take breaks, I do something related to sports or something related to YouTube. This YouTube and sports is something that I do in my breaks. So yeah, whenever I am studying, I don't think about YouTube or sports, and whenever I am playing or whenever I am shooting a video, now I am not thinking about that. So I just keep both the things far apart from each other, so that both of them don't get merged in themselves and I don't get distracted by either of them. So I have confined time for YouTube, I have confined my time for my studies, and I have confined my time for sports. So the sports part have been vanished because of lockdown. I could not just go and play my sports. So the only two things that I do in my entire day is shoot a video, edit video, upload video, or study. So this is the whole structure of my day, and this is everything that I have been doing for past 1 month, and I am pretty happy with my schedule, and I just want to thank you guys for just supporting me. So this was the whole introduction about myself, and I hope this video has solved all your queries. And if still you have any queries or any questions about me, you can always ask it in the comment section below, and I am planning of doing a Q&A. So if you are asking a question in the comment section below, don't forget to just put a hashtag Ask Anjum, so I will know that you are asking me a question and I can directly go to that comment. So yes, if you want to ask any question, just ask in the comment section below, and after the question just put a hashtag Ask Anjum. I hope you like this video. I have just talked a lot in this video. I am really sorry, but I just wanted to come and talk to you all guys. I hope you like the video, and if you do, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also comment down below whatever question you have. I will be really happy to answer them in the next Q&A video. And yes guys, this was it for today. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, stay home, stay safe, bye.